we will going to calculate energy consumption at our home. For that, I have taken some of the sample loads like tube light, fan, fridge, AC, laptop, etc. Let us start the session. Now we consider tube light. For the tube light, the constant power, that is a constant power, would be 36 watt. It's a normal one. Suppose if you are using LED or CFL, that may be 9 watt or 12 watt or 15 watt or 20 watt, etc. You can ask me the question, sir, how can I find the power rating of any appliances? I'll show you an example. Here I have taken a sample data sheet or appliances nameplate like Samsung TV 32-inch. It consumes 54 watt. So each and every appliances will be having this data. You can find it through user manual or website or power rating nameplate of the appliances. Next we take for the fan. The fan what we are using will be consuming 60 to 70 watt. I take as 70 watt. Then fridge around 200 watt. I am talking about 160 to 180 liter fridge. It is 200. Then go for AC. When talk about the AC, we have to consider EER, energy efficiency ratio. So the power consumption of AC, it would be cooling capacity upon EER, that is energy efficiency ratio. This is already we have the constant number which have been calculated 3516 upon 3.17. It's around 1100 watt. So I have taken 3.17 for singleton AC 5 star. If you take 3 star or 4 star, the number will go down. So automatically the energy consumption will be high.